So one of the most common questions with the Dyson vacuums is how do I remove and reinstall the battery? And the good news with the Dyson V11 is that the company has finally taken people's advice and listens to their pleadings and made the battery removable without tools. The Dyson V11 in all forms has a new battery design that has a toolless usage. So removing the battery is very simple. So basically what you do if you want to remove the battery is remove anything from the front so that it's very easy to operate. Make sure the battery is never plugged in when you're playing with it. And you're gonna wanna hold the vacuum securely, get this little red tab, and you wanna push this down. So push it, slide it down. With that done, you hold it down, the battery will come straight out. Dyson becomes much lighter, the battery is right here. And this is a toolless removal for the battery, so it could just slide in and out. You could then put the battery back in. You can charge it on its own. You can put a different battery back in if you have two, and say you have a very large home to clean, and you need to clean for an hour plus. You might have two batteries for your vacuum, or you could just get this one and slide it back in. When you slide it in, you want to slide it in very securely and hear a firm click. You don't have to slam it in. You don't have to be too rough with it, but if you slide it in partially, the Dyson won't work. So here, that's fine. So again, looking at it right here, we will push or pull this tab down, slide it down, hold it, pick the vacuum up. And that is the removable battery on your V11. To put it back, and remember it has to go in at an angle because your handle is at a bit of an angle. So slide it in, slide it up, listen for a firm click, and you'll know it works if you hear if the vacuum will work again. So now we're good, and then we see that it's fully charged. So we're ready to go. And that is how you remove or swap or replace the battery on your Dyson V11 vacuum.